for face.
Okay, so tonight we are working on 5.7, and we introduced a new method today called the Lattice Method, and I explained to the students that this was very difficult for Mrs. Gardner because I had a hard time learning how to do this method, but the kids have kind of taken off with it, so they're actually going to walk through two problems on the homework tonight. I have the first up is McKenna and Olivia, and they are going to walk through on our Active Inspire on our Promethean board how to do number 1 on our homework. So parents, if you're stuck, you can take a look at it. Olivia and McKenna are going to work through this. All right, ladies, have at it. So first, tell the problem and one of you write it down.
So pretty much the problem. Oh wait, wait. Which one are we gonna do? Like,
I'll say it. You read it?
yeah.
The problem is 46 times 5.
Okay, so 40. Do
Yeah.
I like?
Yep.
Oh wait.
It's my pen.
I think it's ready.
Okay, so do we do 40?
46 times 5, like over here, so we can still have room. There you go.
46 times 5.
Don't write anything too tall so I can read.
There we go. So now, McKenna, if I draw up this lattice, can you please explain,
You'll do that.
girls, where you're going to actually put, I'm going to change the color over here so it's a little different.
It's right. It's blue.
Okay, so now you need to explain how we do
So we need to put the 46 on the top of it because we're taking 46 times 5 and there's enough space on the top for the 46.
that. Okay, very
I
good.
got to talk once.
Okay, now you are going to run us through now, this is where we call it the lattice. This is the reason why we call it lattice, because it'll look like a lattice. Okay? So, now, we're going to change the color here so that we know we're taking different multiples in here. Let's change it to green. Okay, so whose turn is it to walk through?
McKenna's.
Yeah, mine.
Okay, McKenna, can you take us through what we do step by step? Please use the pen to touch and dot when you get to those.
So pretty much you have to do 6 times 5, and that equals 30. You put the 3 in the 10 spot, which is right here, where the 3's at, and then you put the 0 down here.
Okay, excellent.
What the heck?
5 times 4 equals 20. And you would put the 2 in the 10 spot and the 0 in the 1s.
Excellent. Okay.
So
Now, how do I get this problem to be solved?
we have to add them up.
Now we have to add them up. So we're adding up the blue or the green numbers?
The green.
Okay, excellent. Can you do that for me?
So pretty much you have the 0 right here. There's nothing like up or down from it, so it'll be just 0.
And then you have to take 3 times 0, 3 plus 0, which would stay 3,
Okay.
because you're adding nothing.
And then you just have 2, so you put 2 down.
Okay.
And
So what is our number? Can we write it in and you read it for us?
Do you need a little help?
230.
Excellent job, ladies. Thank you very, very much.
I need to figure out how to get this off.
Now let's turn these off real quick.
Where's the pen?
Okay. If I can get this light on. Here, I'll help you, buddy. Thank you, Griffin. Okay, so Connor and Reese are going to walk us through our next problem, and this one's going to be trickier, boys, okay? If you get stuck, we'll help you through, okay? This one's, I'm going to have Griffin and Gavin come up behind them so you guys can help make sure that they're doing this right, because we're going to be doing the tricky one now, okay? So we have the new number. Can you read this number up here and write it for homework tonight? You want to write it up as tall as you can if you can reach there.
25 times 31. Miss Gardner.
Okay, excellent. Now I'm going to draw the lattice in because this is our difficult one here. All right, so
Miss Gardner.
I'm drawing a bigger square this time because I have to split these
Into 2.
into 2 like this. All right. Now remember, we still have our lattice that goes corner to corner, corner to corner, and corner to corner. I'm going to move this sheet up a little bit so you guys can actually work with it a little better, if I can.
You have to click on it. You have to click on the box and you can drag it over.
Oh, wow. Thank you. I didn't even know that. Hey, look at that. My kids are showing me how to do all this stuff today.
And Miss Gardner, if you want to make it bigger, all you have to do is grab that and
Make it.
tap on
Awesome.
it, and these little things, it makes it bigger.
That's
Yeah.
excellent. So you
It's
can
really
do it with
cool
this
about
one
it's
too.
making board. Yeah.
Oh, we should probably make that one a little bit bigger, huh? Okay. So let's move it up just a tiny bit. Want to grab it and move it up?
And Miss Gardner,
Perfect. Oh, fantastic. Oh, I'm so excited.
You
You
can
guys just taught me something new.
you can do it with this. You could do that to the
Oh,
lattice.
excellent.
yeah, for the
That's,
lattice.
for the lattice, we'll do that for the next time, okay?
All you have to
All
do
right,
is
so let's
click
start with our numbers. Okay, so Reese, what goes at the very top up here?
25.
Okay. So we got the 2 in that one. All right. Now what are you going to do next, Connor? Where would you put the other
On the
numbers?
side,
Okay, so what are you putting on the side?
31.
Okay, excellent. Now, what do we need to do first, Reese? What's our first step?
You need to put 2 times 5 in there.
Oh, not 2 times 5. Remember?
5 times 3.
There you go. What's 5 times 3?
15.
Very good. So where's the 10 go? That's the ones. So we want to take and erase this real quick.
Or you can just drag it over to the other one.
Oh, I could have. Oh. You're right. Okay, so 15. So the 10's in the 1 spot. Don't blow into it. Okay.
5.
Oh, we still have it on right here. There you go.
5 and 3. I mean,
Now
15.
what's, there you go. So what's 5 times? There you go. Excellent. Oh, oh.
Am I supposed to write 3?
Okay, so 5 times 3 is what? 15?
15.
So we've got the 1. Now what's the 10? Help him out. What is it?
Please put a 1 right there.
It's a 1, right. You split a 1.
1.
So see, now Reese, look at this. What's 5 times 3? You said 15, right? Okay, excellent job. Okay, Connor, what do we do next?
3 times 2 would equal is 6. So I put the 0 right there because it doesn't get me confused.
That's a good idea. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to have these 2 boys finish up the bottom half of it. Okay, excellent work, you 2. Oh, sorry. Got you right in the noggin. Okay. All right. So now, Griffin, can you walk me through that next step?
Now you gotta do 1 times 5 would be 5.
Now, what are you going to put in that tens box?
A 0.
Good job. Okay. Got it.
And then you'll go 2 times 1, and that will be 2.
And then there's 5 right there, so you just put a 5 down here.
And then you have 5 plus 2 equals 7, plus 0 would equal 7.
And then 6 plus 1 would equal 7, plus 0 would equal 7.
And then you have your 0, so then you'll have your answer.
Okay, boys, let's see. What is our answer up there?
775.
Excellent. Okay, wonderful job. Thank you so much, crew, for teaching us how to do this. And this is actually on your homework tonight. If your parents want to download the video, it'll be on our webpage underneath of Math, Chapter 5 videos, okay? All right, so I'm going to start recording.